Think all label makers are the same? Plot twist. The best label makers of today do more than just print names and tags. From wireless connectivity and app integration to dual-color printing and high-speed performance, these compact machines are full of surprises. Whether you're organizing, shipping, or crafting, get ready to discover the unexpected features that make these label makers true game changers for home, office, and business. Are your office labels always mismatched, unclear, or just plain dull? The Brother P-Touch PTD610BT Business Professional Connected Label Maker flips the script on your labeling frustrations with features that feel like plot twists in productivity. At first glance, it's just a label maker, but connected via Bluetooth or USB, and the story changes. Suddenly, you're designing crisp, professional labels directly from your computer or mobile device with access to 17 fonts, 17 styles, 160 frames, and over 900 symbols. Need to print barcodes, logos, or custom tags? This machine does it all, up to a full inch wide, in high resolution that makes every detail shine. But the surprises don't stop there. With 175 preloaded business templates and the ability to store up to 90 frequently used labels, reprinting becomes a breeze. The full-color LCD gives you a real-time preview, so no more wasting tape on guesswork. It even has a built-in QWERTY keyboard and automatic label cutter, transforming your workflow into a seamless one-touch operation. Whether you're managing inventory, assets, or workspace organization, the PTD610BT doesn't just label, it elevates. Tune in to see how this sleek device turns everyday office chaos into order with unexpected ease. Shipping labels ruining your workflow? Meet the Rolo Wireless Shipping Label Printer, the surprise hero your business didn't see coming. It's not just a label printer. It's a complete transformation of how you handle logistics. With Wi-Fi connectivity that supports AirPrint for iPhone, iPad, and Mac, plus compatibility with Android, Windows, Chromebook, and Linux, this printer skips the hassle of drivers and Bluetooth entirely. Just connect to Wi-Fi or plug in via USB and you're ready to roll. But here's the real plot twist. Rollo Ship Manager. This free app lets you link your e-commerce platforms and tap into exclusive shipping rates without paying for third-party software like ShipStation. You'll save money while streamlining every step. And the printing? It's lightning fast at 150 millimeters per second. That's one 4x6 label every second, with crisp 203 dpi resolution that ensures your barcodes and addresses scan cleanly every time. Beyond shipping, the Rollo is a powerhouse custom label maker. Create everything from QR codes and product tags to thank you stickers and name labels, supporting widths from 1.57 to 4.1. With a print head life of up to 650,000 labels, 4x more than the competition, this isn't just a printer, it's a long-term game changer. Think all label printers are created equal? Think again. The Brother QL800 is the curveball you didn't see coming. A sleek, high-speed labeling machine built for professionals who refuse to settle for average. Imagine printing up to 93 labels per minute at a razor-sharp 300 dpi resolution. That's not just fast, that's productivity on overdrive. But the twist? It doesn't just print in black. With Brother's genuine DK labels, it prints in both black and red, instantly making your labels pop with urgency, warnings, or branding flair. Plug it in and start labeling, no software installation, no headaches. Thanks to Brother's plug-and-label technology, you can print directly from Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook with ease. It's fully compatible with Windows and Mac, so integration into your workflow is effortless. Whether you're creating shipping labels, file tags, name badges, or banners up to 3 feet long, this printer adapts to your needs with pre-sized labels or continuous tapes. And with the built-in auto cutter, every label is clean, accurate, and professional. If your business relies on organization, speed, and visual clarity, the Brother QL800 isn't just a tool. It's a surprising upgrade that changes how you label everything. Think label makers are clunky, outdated tools? Plot twist. The Brother P-Touch Cube Plus PTP710BT redefines modern label making with sleek design, wireless freedom, and creative power. Compact and lightweight, this stylish Bluetooth label maker connects to your Apple or Android device, or even your desktop, and lets you print labels your way, up to a full inch wide. But the real twist: you're not limited to plain labels. With access to 3 powerful brother apps, P-Touch Design and Print, iPrint and Label, and P-Touch Editor, you can tap into a library of fonts, frames, symbols, and pre-designed templates tailored for home, office, retail, and crafting. The surprises keep coming. It's loaded and ready to go with not just 1, but 2 starter tapes. Classic black on white and a stunning black on premium glitter gold, plus a built-in Li-ion battery and USB charging cable. That means no scrambling for batteries, no wasted time. Whether you're organizing your home, branding handmade products, or designing standout retail tags, the P-Touch Cube Plus is your creative sidekick. Join us as we unbox and explore how this stylish powerhouse turns everyday labels into eye-catching statements with functionality that quietly outperforms expectations. Tired of unreliable label makers that run out of steam just when your workflow heats up? Enter the Epson LWPX300, the underdog device with a surprising twist of industrial-grade power packed into a portable handheld design. At first glance, it looks like a simple tool, but fire it up. Batteries or adapter required, sold separately, and the story changes fast. Right out of the box, thanks to the included 212 VTB WPX tape, you're ready to tackle office labeling chaos with precision. Perfect for wire tags, barcode stickers, magnets, or even shrink tube labels, the LWPX300 is engineered for serious office and industrial environments. Its crisp, durable print quality ensures your labels don't just stick, they last. The built-in preview screen is your secret weapon, showing exactly how your label will look before you print. That means fewer mistakes and faster output in demanding situations. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This device supports a range of label widths up to 3/4 and shrink tubes up to 3/16, making it a flexible powerhouse for any workspace. And the real plot twist: a full-service lifetime warranty. If it breaks, Epson replaces it. No drama, just reliability. Tune in to see how this small label maker delivers big on durability and customization.